Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a client portal in Wix. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix website. Once you've logged in, you will be directed to your Wix dashboard. Now, click on the site that you want to edit. Then, click on Design Site. Now, once you're in the site area, on the left side of the screen, click on the four box to add apps. Once the Wix app market loads, type membership area in the search bar. Now, once you're here, Wix will give you a lot of options. I will choose a free app. Click on it, then click Add to Site. Now, once it loads, click on Discover Members area, then click Next to continue. For the last, Setup Members area. Now, next is let's add a login bar. Now, on the left side of the screen, click on the plus icon to add element. Now scroll down and click Community. Click the login bar, then drag and drop the login bar. Now you can start customizing it. Just click on the design. Here you can edit the color, border, corners, or you can change the text. You can also add animation and effects. You can continue customize your site. Then after customizing the whole site, click on publish. And that's how you create a client portal in Wix. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.